If you suspect that birth trauma is what has caused your baby's brain injury, how can a medical malpractice attorney help? Want to know what I'm getting at here? Stay with me as I share with you this really important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I am a childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland, and I would like to talk with you today about that question. See, I was recently contacted by a mother who had that question. She had suspected that her baby's brain injury was due to something that the doctors failed to do during her vaginal delivery. And what really prompted the call was her medical bills were beginning to pile up, and she was beginning to be concerned about the challenges that her baby and that her child was going to face going into the future. And so her question to me was, well, if I go this route with the medical malpractice attorney, how can an attorney help me with the bills and the challenges that my baby is going to face into the future? Now, before I answer that, I'm going to let you know that there are a lot of things in which an attorney can do when we're talking about bringing a medical malpractice case based on a brain injury because of birth trauma or something like that. But one tool that is very important in this process is called a life care plan. And medical malpractice attorneys use these tools when there is a serious injury and we are looking at possible permanency and challenges going into the future. So what this life care plan is what it does is it will take into consideration the things that your child is going to need into the future. So let's say, for example, let's say you have a home and you have multiple stairs in your home. You've got first floor, second floor, and you now, because of the challenges that your child is facing, it's going to be hard to get your child up and down the stairs. So now you may need a ranch. That life care plan will take that into consideration. Let's say, for example, you may need a car or you may need a van because your child has a motorized wheelchair. That life care plan will take that into consideration. Let's say, for example, that there may be special schooling that your child will need going into the future. That life care plan will take that into consideration. And there's a lot of other things in which a life care plan will take into consideration when a child is dealing with a traumatic brain injury. So why have I taken the time today to talk with you about this? Because if you're watching this video, more than likely you're just like that mother who just recently contacted me, concerned about the challenges that her baby was going to face going into the future, concerned about what was going to happen with her child when the mother and the parents were no longer on this earth. Maybe you have these types of concerns. If you would like to speak with me further, this is what I invite you to do. And taking this next action costs you absolutely nothing. And what is that action? To pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I also have another phone number in which you can reach me at, and that is 1-833-4BABY-HELP. You've got all of those options to get in touch with me. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I am Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC. And we will see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.